Hey Alex, I'm still having trouble figuring out exactly the best way for me to help you. Um, I understand that you're confused. Maybe the best thing for me to do is I'm just going to try. I'm just going to walk through um, the first steps here and get through problem one and see if that helps prime the pump a little bit. So I'm going to start by downloading the files. And go into here. Oh wait, I think that's, yeah, the downloads. And I'll extract those guys. Okay, so here are the three files we're going to work with. I'm going to start up Visual Studio 2010 and create a new project. Create an empty project, and I'll call it Unit 22 Assignment 2. And hit OK. Okay, so I've got that. Now I've got a folder I can go to. Okay. I'll stick my files in there. Okay, so now my files are in here. I'll add the source files. Add existing item. So I'll add my CPP files for the source files. And for my header files, I'll add the .h file. Okay. And let's see, for this first thing it says add two accessor methods to the class getAuthor and getTitle that return the author and title fields as their respective results. Test your class by creating some instances and calling the methods. Well, let's look and see what class has author and title. It looks like, yeah, the book.h. If we look at that one, that's the only .h file we have, so we can start by looking at that one and see the book class has an author and a title. So we can go to book CPP. We want to add the accessor here to the book class. Okay, and it's going to return mAuthor. Okay, so mAuthor again. Author is of type string. I'll copy this. So it's going to return a string. It's a method from the book class, and we're going to call it getAuthor. Okay. And it's going to return this field right here, mAuthor. I'm just doing a copy and paste here, paste it here, and save that. Okay, and then we've still got some issues here because we need to add it as a we need to put the function header right here. It's going to be a string. getAuthor. Doesn't have any inputs. Void. And boom. Okay. So now it's not giving us any weird error messages, but we still want to check and make sure it's doing what we want it to do. So we can go to main CPP, and there's this method for testing or function for testing the book class. Okay, so in here, I don't remember what I wrote about that, but in here what we can do is, let's just let me just walk you through how you can test out these methods. So let's just create a book equals book, and I'm going to give it the title and author that I had on here. Actually, I think author goes first. I don't remember, but I think we need both. So yeah, it looks like we say put the book author and then the book title. So I'll just have to so the author actually comes before this. I'll just type in here Daniel Defoe. Okay, so we're the constructor needs the author and the, see right here, needs the author and the title. So I'm creating it with Daniel Defoe and Robinson Crusoe, and then what I want to test is get author at this point, because I just created the get author method. So let me just try printing out that cout so I'm going to call get author on book here. See, when I just type in book and a dot, the get author comes up. It has no parameters. Oh, let's put an endle on there to make it a little prettier. Put a couple of them. And let's see, I think that's all we need to do. And then let's try running that. So I'm going to hit F5. And yep, there's Daniel Defoe. So that's what we were trying to get, was the author, right? Press any key to continue, boink. Okay, so that's the first one tested and done. So hopefully that'll help you get started, and you should be able to do get title at least for sure. And then so follow what I did, get author working, and then do get title and write in a test to make sure that get title's working. And then if you're running more trouble, give me another holler, okay? But hopefully that'll get you a little farther.